Introducing the VeriQuest Awards Maker, a remarkable visual learning tool that helps you quickly, easily, and affordably reward student and staff achievement. Use the VeriQuest Design Center and the Awards Maker to create personalized and professional quality award plaques, customized bumper stickers, parking permits, name tags, and school signage. Using our pre-designed templates, teachers, students, and volunteers can create awards and stickers in minutes, and the Awards Maker prints a sticker in less than 5 seconds. Create customized awards in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the cost associated with print shop awards. Rewarding students with personalized awards gives them a sense of accomplishment and helps create a direct correlation between praise and goal achievement. Raise funds for your school by creating and selling customized bumper stickers. Use the Awards Maker to also create name tags, parking permits, building signage, or any other type of sticker. With the Awards Maker at your school, teachers, coaches, and principals can recognize individual student progress through the use of customized awards. Acknowledge your students and staff with high-quality awards and promote student success, build student confidence, reward good character, recognize professional achievement. Create a motivational and rewarding learning environment with the VeriQuest Awards Maker, your on-the-spot recognition visual learning tool.